Hello everyone, welcome in SST College of Arts and Commerce, Ulhasnagar. This is SST Edupedia. Dear myself, Professor Anil Telinge. Today's our subject it's a concern with a cost accounting, and our today's topics is literally helpful for a three classes semester 5 TY BAF, semester 4 SY BCBI, as well as semester 5th cost accounting plain TY BCom. Dear subject is cost accounting, and you all of you know the name of topic is marginal costing. In cost accounting, before start the marginal costing, I want to clarify here a basic difference between financial account and cost account. In financial accounts, it's have their own separate principle, bylaws and system. Same, my dear student, different method, different techniques also follow in a cost accounting. So, as and when you all people know the cost sheet, process costing, contract costing, you all already learn in a cost system. But as a SY BCCI point of view, it's a newly introduced subject. It's nothing but the cost accounting. After successfully completion of absorption costing, cost sheet, our next part is marginal costing. Sir, what do you mean by marginal costing? Is any definitions regarding the marginal costing? In simple sense, marginal cost is, if you take into consideration, marginal cost is a amount at any given value of output by which aggregate cost are changed. If value at output is increase or decrease by additional 1 unit. यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक हिंट देना चाहता हूँ. At 12 कॉमर्स डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ये कंसेप्ट आपने सीखी है. सर व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मार्जिनल कॉस्ट? सिंपल सेंस में हम देखेंगे तो एवरी इंक्रीज ऑफ आउटपुट, यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट इंक्रीज होने के कारण वट एवर कॉस्ट इनकर्ड होने वाली है, कॉस्ट इंक्रीज होने वाली है, उस कॉस्ट को ही मार्जिनल कॉस्ट बोला जाता है. एज कंपेयर टू द कॉस्ट शीट, द मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इट्स स्पेशल फीचर्स आर डिफर. द एक्सपर्ट्स से दैट marginal cost give a more importance to the variable cost. As per the marginal cost techniques, for production purpose, the variable cost plays a major role. So marginal cost, it are treated as a variable cost, it's also treated as a product cost. इसको product cost बोला जाता है. Marginal cost point of view ये एक्सप्रेस किया गया है कि वेरिएबल कॉस्ट ही प्रोडक्शंस के लिए हेल्पफुल होती है और वही प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट होती है. मींस कॉस्ट का प्रॉपर क्लासिफिकेशन मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग में किया है, जो एब्जॉर्प्शन कॉस्टिंग या कॉस्ट शीट का ड्रॉबैक्स था. एज एंड व्हेन अलाउ यू रेफर द कॉस्ट शीट, जब आप कॉस्ट शीट्स को रेफर करते तो वहां पे देखो अ स्पेशल और स्पेसिफिक बाइफर्गेशन इज देयर. With the help of direct material, direct labor, direct wages, we find out the prime cost. Addition of factory expenses, we find out the work cost. Then cost of production, then cost of sales. So hierarchy of prices are there. No classification between variable cost and fixed cost. So हमारे एब्जॉर्प्शन कॉस्टिंग में, हमारे कॉस्ट शीट में सब बाइफर्गेशन नहीं है, क्लासिफिकेशन नहीं है, और वो क्लासिफिकेशन मार्जिनल कॉस्ट ने करवा के दी. तो ये 2 सेंटेंस से हमें मार्जिनल कॉस्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिली कि सर मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इज नथिंग बट अ कॉस्ट व्हेन एक्स्ट्रा एडिशन ऑफ प्रोडक्शन यूनिट व्हाटएवर कॉस्ट इनकर्ड, दैट कॉस्ट इज कॉल्ड एज मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. लिटिल बट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कंसेप्ट है. सर व्हाट डू यू मीन मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग? एज एंड व्हेन अपीयरिंग अ कॉस्ट शीट, हम जब कॉस्ट शीट्स या कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करते समय more importance given to the variable cost, because as per the marginal cost system, the variable cost is a behavioral cost. Behavioral cost means nothing but the cost which is changed as per the value of output. इसलिए वेरिएबल कॉस्ट को मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग में इंपॉर्टेंस दिया गया. ये ऐसी सिस्टम है मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग, ये एक ऐसी टेक्निक है जो आपके एक्सपेंसेस को क्लासिफाई करती है बिटवीन द फिक्स कॉस्ट एंड वेरिएबल कॉस्ट। सो टिल अब तक का जो हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ, उस डिस्कशंस में आपको समझ में आया होगा कि मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इज अ बिहेवियरल कॉस्ट, इट्स अ वेरिएबल कॉस्ट व्हेन a profit finding is there, production activity took place, the experts say that short period में वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है और रादर वेरिएबल कॉस्ट ही प्रॉफिट को अफेक्ट करती है। सो मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग सीखने के पहले आपको दो कॉस्ट सीखना जरूरी है, वन इज अ फिक्स कॉस्ट एंड सेकंड वन इज अ वेरिएबल कॉस्ट। सिंपल डेफिनेशन फॉर एसवाई बीसीसीआई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फिक्स कॉस्ट? Any expenditure remain a same irrespective of output, whether output increase or decrease, आपका आउटपुट बढ़े या कम हो जाए, कंपेरेटिव दैट उसके हिसाब से सर कॉस्ट चेंज नहीं होती है, वो अनचेंज रहती है, कांस्टेंट रहती है, सच कॉस्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ फिक्स कॉस्ट। एग्जांपल दिया उन्होंने, बिल्डिंग रेंट, रेंट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, वहां पे लोग रहे या न रहे, you need to pay it, treated as a fixed cost. Sir, variable cost is differ. I already told you marginal costing classify, bifurcate the both cost. So profit point of view, to find out the fair views of profitability, marginal costing plays an important role. Variable cost, as already it is varies directly with the outputs. As per the change of output, those cost change, it treated as a variable cost. So after the bifurcation classification of variable cost, one example regarding the marginal cost, the example जो मैंने यहाँ पे पुट किया है आपका क्लियर कर सकता है कि किसे हम मार्जिनल कॉस्ट बोल सकते हैं या वेरिएबल कॉस्ट बोल सकते हैं। मैन्युफैक्चर 100 रेडियोस पर यूनिट एंड फिक्स, so variable cost point of view 150 per radios, so total variable cost for a production of 100 radios, it's become a, now 5000 it's a fixed cost, so total cost is a 20000. Increase the productivity of radios, it's become a 101 to 150, 15150, so every increase of 1 unit, 100 यूनिट में आपकी कॉस्ट जा रही थी 15,000, is or no? Now increase of 1 unit, so 150 प्राइस जो आपकी बड़ी है, such price is called as a variable cost price, marginal cost, वहाँ fixed cost हमारी constant है। So I think example helpful रहेगा to clear the concept of the marginal costing. Now after the obtaining the information regarding the marginal cost, if we take into consider the features, it helps lots to clear the concept in proper sense. The first characteristic features of marginal cost for short note point of view, sir, it classify the expenses between fixed cost and variable cost. ये इसका पहला कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है जो एब्जॉर्प्शन कॉस्ट नहीं कर पाई, कॉस्ट शीट्स में जो क्लासिफिकेशन नहीं था, इवन अ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ WIP, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश्ड गुड्स, it need to bifurcate between the fixed and variable cost. यहाँ पे सर every cost classify होती है between the fixed and variable cost. Second characteristics of marginal cost, only variable cost are considered, as and when you find out the cost of the product, आप प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं तो मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इंटीमेट दैट, मार्जिनल कॉस्ट says that only variable cost is considered while calculating the product cost. So fixed costs are excluded. Third characteristics in marginal costing, it say that it inform that the fixed cost is a profit and loss cost. That's why it's not treated as a part and parcel of product cost. ये आगे जाके इसका ड्रॉबैक्स भी बना है। The marginal costing most of suitable for the short periods when you want to export the commodities. So how much profitabilities may be theirs? What point of view expenditures we need to incur? So for the export of the firm, export firm को marginal costing maximum तौर पे helpful है। Selling price is determined on the basis of marginal cost. Under marginal cost system, whatever sale price you want to decide by considering the profit, तो marginal cost और selling price के लिए helpful होती है. It's intimated in the features of marginal cost. It show the difference between the sales and variable cost. इसमें जो sales and variable cost के बीच में जो भी difference आता है, it treated as a contribution. So contribution under marginal cost plays an important and vital role. Dear, within a 1 minute, it classify the fixed and variable cost. The first characteristics of marginal cost. Only variable cost considered for as a product cost. Fixed cost are excluded a marginal costing system. That's that expenses of profit and loss. Most of our marginal cost is helpful for the export firm. Selling price is determined on the basis of marginal cost and show the difference between the sales and variable cost is treated as a contribution. The contribution is an important part under the marginal costing. Sir, after taking the informations regarding the features, what are the advantages of marginal cost? Dear, marginal cost most of help for the cost control. See, it's a variable cost. It's depend upon the size of productivities. So if you want to increase the production, yeah, when you decrease the production, how much cost need to incur? ये study, ये knowledge, ये information आपको marginal cost देती है. That's why for the cost control it is helps lots. Second advantage is it's helpful to determine the break-even point. Every organization want to know no profit no loss situation, which treated as a break-even point situation. Under marginal costing, you can easily find out the break-even situation. No profit, no loss situation. So many formulas are there to find out the break-even point. Sir, I already clear the marginal cost is a technique. It's not a method. So it helps to managers, a production department to pass the decision, to take the decision regarding increase the productivity, yeah, maybe stop the production activities. If you want to report, your cost reporting is also conducted with the help of marginal costing. All are the advantages of marginal costing. Sir, as a advantages, there are some disadvantages. Firstly, we go through the disadvantages of the marginal costing. First disadvantages is misleading the result. You know, it classify, no doubt, it classify the fixed cost and variable cost. But misleading result is nothing but only variable cost is the product cost. But my dear student, fixed cost also the part and parcel of the product cost. ये भी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी के लिए अफेक्ट करती है. तो इनका जो रिजल्ट है वो लिटिल बट मिसलीड कर सकता है. उतना परफेक्शन उसमें नहीं दिखाई देता है, उतना ट्रूथनेस आपको नहीं दिखाई देगा. तो मिसलीडिंग ऑफ द रिजल्ट. सेकंड वन इज it ignore the time factor. Whatever time cost, whatever the period cost, it is totally ignore किया गया. Time factors में वे सिर्फ small scale organization के लिए suitable है. It is not suitable for the big organization. So ignorance of the time factor, it's also one of the important disadvantages of marginal cost. I already clear, not suitable for the long run. It is suitable for the short period only. Short period में आपको productions प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट को हैंडल करने के लिए हेल्पफुल है एंड ह्यूज इंडस्ट्री के लिए मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग हेल्पफुल नहीं है. द फोर्थ इंपॉर्टेंट डिसएडवांटेज इज फिक्स कॉस्ट इग्नोर. देयर फिक्स कॉस्ट इज आल्सो पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट, बट मार्जिनल कॉस्ट टोटली इग्नोर इट. मोर एम्फासिस, मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इज गिवन टू द सेल्स. इन्होंने परचेस एंड अदर फैक्टर्स को टोटली निग्लेक्ट किया है. More emphasis on sales. It is also drawbacks, disadvantages, and it is not applicable for the contract costing. The total marginal costing is not helpful for the contract costing. The disadvantages of contract costing. Dear, under contract costing, I already clear the contribution is important task. If you refer the last sentence, contribution is equal to sales minus variable costs. Contribution is the profit before adjusting the fixed cost. One important we called as short notes. A contribution marginal costing में important role play करता है. एडजस्टिंग अ फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट बिफोर द प्रॉफिट मीन्स फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस प्रॉफिट, इससे जो भी फाइंड आउट होता है दैट्स कॉल्ड एज अ कंट्रीब्यूशन. On other way, when sales minus variable cost, it treated as a contribution. It provides some profit. ये देखो, it is assumed that the excess sales over the variable cost is treated as a contribution, not only which over the fixed cost, but also provide some profits. Contribution is also treated as a if contribution is equal to the fixed cost, उस situation को no profit no loss situations भी बोला जाता है. This concept help to take the decision like whether you produce the commodity या discontinue the product is. If you want to present the contribution, contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Sir, a contribution की जब आप notes यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे तो अंडर मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कंट्रीब्यूशन प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. व्हेन कंट्रीब्यूशन इज इक्वल टू फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट, a such situation is known as a no profit no loss situation of business organization. When you deduct the variable cost from the sales, it treated as a contributions. You all refer the concepts. Dear, before starting the marginal costing, I want to present the statement of marginal costing. Marginal costing की statement किस तरह होती है देखो, it's a really minimized statement rather than the cost sheet. Cost sheets need to follow a lengthy process: prime cost, work cost, cost of production, cost of good, finished goods sold, then cost of sales, etc. But sales simply minus variable cost, we find out the contribution, then you deduct the fixed cost from the contribution, we find out the profit. Same for the amount, same for the cost per unit. See, so simple statement is there, and whole statement helpful for the calculation for PV ratio, calculation for BEP in values, calculations of the BEP in rupees, margin of safety and expected sales. So see the statement: sales, then variable cost vertically, then we find out the contribution, then a fixed cost, and last one is the profit. After the reference or referring the statement, what do you mean by the PV ratio? That is profit volume ratio. Mean as and when you earn the profit at compared to the contributions, at compared to the sales, at what margin a profit is, a such concept is known as a PV ratio या profit volume ratio. It expressed between the contribution on sales. So formula of PV ratio: contribution divided by sales into 100. Formula helpful for the calculation purpose. Then my dear students, a break-even point, one of the important concept under the marginal costing: no profit no loss. Total sales revenue is equal to total cost incurred. You can find out the break-even fixed cost divided by contribution per unit, rather total fixed cost divided by PV ratio into 100, the formula of the break-even point. So I already clear that BEP, break-even point, is the situation no profit no loss. Now dear, the marginal costing came into existence to overcome the problems of absorption costing. So you must learn little concept regarding the absorption costing. Absorption cost is total cost techniques under which the total cost, fixed and variable cost, are charged to the product. Absorption costing में total fixed and variable दोनों cost charge होते हैं. Inventory also valued at the total cost. मतलब absorption costing में there is no bifurcations. Both cost, variable and fixed cost, charge onto the product. Even inventory also calculate over the total cost. But under the marginal costing, my dear student, only variable cost is treated as a product cost. So in today's sessions, we obtain the informations. What do you mean by the marginal cost? Which things include in a marginal costings? And after the obtaining information, the contribution, statement of the marginal cost, PV ratio, finding of the PV ratio, and last one is after finding the PV ratio, how to calculate the BEP, what is the concept of BEP, and simple explanations regarding the absorption costing. Hope so ये वीडियो आप सबके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा। थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट।